and etc. What's one thing you've learned about love that only this partnership taught you?
Nahirapan pa kayo, no?
This is not only about loving each other as an individual person. It's all about fun, work, and achievements in life. What's one thing you've learned about love that only this partnership taught you?
Sa lahat na yun, between sa amin, sa work, between sa atin, kasi, kapag ramdam mo na yung acceptance, kasunod na yung papel, kung mapatrabaho man, hindi ka na maghahanap ng kung ano pang gusto kong ma-achieve. Basta mas content na ako sa ginagawa ko kasi kung saan lang ako. Kasi wala hindi nakakakili, pero hindi nakakakili yung acceptance. So, between sa atin,